Alright, what's up y'all? Okay, so the next couple vlogs are going to be a little bit different, mostly just in the fact that I will not be in North Carolina shooting these vlogs. I'm headed to Aruba. Alright, so today I'm just going to take you quickly through like kind of the setup I'm taking to Aruba with me for vlogging real fast, just so you can kind of get a feel for what's going on there. First of all, I'm taking my normal regular Canon Rebel, and then I've got this sweet thing, shout out to Lily and Rio. It's a Nikon DX, something like that. It's a Nikon point and shoot. We used them to shoot the Outer Banks vlogs, which if you haven't checked out, you definitely should. Click right there. But I'm going to take that with me. I've got my shotgun mic from my little brother for Christmas that I got. So, and I'm taking my like Gorilla Pod thing, kinda. And so that's most of the stuff. I've got all my clothing and stuff laid out. I'll show you kind of what's going on here. Ignore most of that. Taking a laptop, and then I got this really sweet little it's, I don't know if you can see that. That's it's a solar charger, so it like charges itself up. Solar, also a thing from my older brother, or from my little brother and his girlfriend. So I'm pretty excited about all that stuff. We're gonna go test all that stuff up and kind of see what's gonna happen here. So quick little view. This is a really short video, but it's just kind of a first thing to introduce the trip and get it started off, kick off the little series. So yeah, I'll give you a quick little overview of what I'm doing, working with here. So that's everything. I've got boots, I got my passports, Ray-Bans, wallet, got this travel charger thing. Taking this book. I was recommended this book by someone at work. Apparently there's a movie? I don't know. I'm not in touch with like social media stuff at all. Yeah, I got aloe lotion because your boy burns like a lobster, and all sorts of clothing and stuff. You gotta take the mod hat. I'm going with my buddy Luke, who you might remember from the Florida Keys vlogs, which you can also watch right there, and all that kind of stuff. So this is going to be kind of a bigger adventure vlog than what I normally do, because we're heading outside of Western North Carolina. I'm going to be posting these videos in the next couple weeks, so if you're interested in kind of seeing the adventures in Aruba and you're not subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. Click the notification button so you know when those videos are uploaded. They come out on Fridays, if you haven't noticed, or if you're new here. So yeah, absolutely, and go ahead and give this video a like so I know you're looking forward to the next video on Aruba. So I'll see you all next week. Thanks for tuning in. Bye!